Title: Train Heist for Justice. Characters: Max the Fox, Rosie the Rabbit, Benny the Bear, and Captain Cluck the Chicken. In the heart of Critterville, the annual food supply train was ready to depart. But little did anyone know, trouble was brewing. Max overhears Captain Cluck at the town square. Captain Cluck, listen up, everyone! The train carrying our supplies for winter has been hijacked by the notorious bandit badgers. Rosie, gasping, what will we do now? The town depends on that food. Max, determined, we won't let them get away with this. Let's form a rescue team. Max spreads a map of the railway. Max, the bandit badgers have taken the train toward the dark canyon. We'll catch them at the junction near Eagle Cliff. Benny, excitedly, what's the plan? Are we building a trap? Rosie, or sneaking aboard? Max, smirking, both. Let's gear up. The team raced against time, chasing the train with Max's super-fast track runner. Max drives while Rosie and Benny look ahead with binoculars. Rosie, I see the train! It's just a mile ahead. Benny, hang on, everyone. This is going to get bumpy. Max and Rosie leap onto the train while Benny uses his strength to hold the track runner steady. Max, quietly now, we need to catch them by surprise. Bandit badgers are seen laughing and counting stolen supplies. Rosie, whispering, they're in the cargo car. Let's move. Max and Rosie burst in. Max, end of the line, bandit badgers. Bandit leader, sneering, you think you can stop us? Get 'em, boys! A scuffle ensues. Rosie uses her speed, Max deploys gadgets, and Benny arrives just in time to subdue the badgers. Rosie takes the controls while Max ties up the bandit badgers. Max, great work, team! Let's get this train back to Critterville. Benny, and a little extra speed wouldn't hurt. The train pulls into the station, greeted by cheers. Captain Cluck, you did it! Critterville owes you its gratitude. Rosie, teamwork always wins. The townsfolk celebrate with music and dancing. With the supplies back home and the bandit badgers caught, the heroes of Critterville saved the day once again. Max smiles at his team. Max, justice is served. Until the next adventure.